Hi friends, we've got quite the snowstorm. My son just came home and he is 5'11" and the snow in some areas was above his knee to his thigh when he was walking in. I just want to give you a little glimpse of my balcony. You can't even see anything. Everything is just covered. Oh, look at this. It's past my ankle. Look at this. But it's so beautiful. My barbecue. My plants are almost buried. So Uber didn't deliver tonight. Everything was shut down. I think we're going to end up having a snow day tomorrow. And this is what Canadian winter is all about. Snow day. I've got 10 more centimeters. You see the snow is above my umbrella. My little chimes blowing in the wind. So I can't get out. My whole front yard to my front door is covered in snow. The roads are not even done. I'm gonna go for a nice walk. Trapping me. She's taking her birds. Uh-oh, it's just the shovel. Look at it, it's caught and he doesn't know it. He's gonna run over it and there it goes. He doesn't know. Oh, there he is.